A row of CNC machines, every one opened, loaded and unloaded by hand. The machine waits on people, cycle time drifts, and the night shift is hard to staff. With robotic tending, machine utilization climbs from the low 60s to 85% or more. One operator runs 2 to 4 machines, and the night shift runs unattended. The robot handshakes with the machine, so load and unload interlock with the cut, and a quick change gripper switches parts without rebuilding tooling. The robot moves between machines, pick the blank, load, wait out the cut, take the finished part, stack it, so the CNC stops waiting on people. When does it pay back first? A cluster of machines, a stable cycle with enough volume, a night shift you can't staff, or parts too heavy for people. The same tending logic moves heat sinks today, and flanges, gear drums, sanitary hardware and forgings just as well. One operator runs 2 to 4 machines, the night shift runs unattended, and utilization measurably rises. Want robotic tending across your CNC cluster? Talk to us.